first one is, what are some common mistakes to avoid when designing a graphical abstract? So the most common mistake that I see is starting too early with creating the abstract itself. Make absolutely sure that you know exactly what you want to present, what you want to bring across. Again, that's the key messages and the one key message and the key findings of your paper. And only when you have that clear and very clearly aligned, you should start working on the design to bring that across, and then working first on the sketch and then actually designing it. Because otherwise, if you go down the wrong way in the beginning and you start creating a graphical abstract and you need to change your message again, you either have to do a lot of extra work to rearrange everything to make the things different, or even worse, you might decide that it's not worth it and you try to fit a different message onto a presentation of the graphical abstract that doesn't fit it well, and that again distracts your viewers and they don't get the information that you want them to receive. So really take a step back, think through the key message, think through the key findings, and only then proceed to sketching and designing.